We're going to show you how to copy a two-sided document to two-sided on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479 printer. This will be done via the control panel. So this is a 6-page document that we have printed. Page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4, page 5, and page 6. So we're going to load it into the ADF. Remember to use the paper guides. Next, let us go to the control panel of the printer. Select Copy. Select Document. Now for two-sided copying, select this menu and select two-sided to two-sided. Next, press on Copy. So this is the document that was copied. Page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4, page 5, and page 6. And so this is how you copy a two-sided document to two-sided for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M479 printer.